Welcome back, everybody. It's nice to see your smiling faces. My name is Victor Prasad. I'm a real estate broker here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, and in today's video we're going to cover 4 saltwater boat ramps that you need to know about with a bonus ramp at the end. Let me know in the comment section below what type of boat you have and how do you use it here in the Gulf of Mexico and Southwest Florida. First, Cape Coral has 4 saltwater boat ramps. Each of these boat ramps have a $10 daily fee for parking to help with additional security and future ramp improvements to better service area boaters. Through a partnership with Passport, drivers are able to pay to park from their smartphone, tablet, or computer using a modern app technology. There will no longer be a pay envelope. If you do not have a smartphone, you can call 239-424-9459 to register with Passport. Remember to put in your tow vehicle license plate number. Here's an important note. When entering payment information, Passport will require that boaters enter the zone number of the boat ramp locations where they will be parked. Annual parking decals are only available to Cape Coral residents and Cape Coral-based businesses, and they are valid 1 year from the date of purchase. They may be purchased at the Parks and Recreation counter in the City Hall, 239-573-3128, or at the front counter of the Yacht Club Ballroom with a cash check or credit card. You'll be required to bring driver's license and vehicle registration and proof of Cape Coral residency. That may be a utility bill with the corresponding name and address on it. So here are some quick things to know about each location. They have public restrooms. You're able to launch 2 boats at a time. Yacht Club is the only location that has fuel next to the Boathouse restaurant, and there are pavilions at each park except the Yacht Club. Now that we have that part taken care of, let's roll the footage and cue the B-roll. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.